Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to use my Thermosmart to demonstrate that copper is a great conductor of heat. Check it out. So an easy way to demonstrate the conductive properties of different kinds of metals is to put a 200 milliliter beaker of water on a hot plate, and as it's just under boiling, to lower these strips of metal into the water. Each strip of metal has a thermometer on the metal, and that way you can see which one heats up the most, the quickest: steel, brass, aluminum, or copper. Check it out. Okay, so we're going to lower it into the water. You can definitely see copper is all the way up to here, then aluminum, then brass. The copper is definitely heating up faster. So why is it that copper seems to be a better conductor than the alloy of brass or steel or the metal aluminum? Well, it's because of the copper lattice. So for copper, its atoms are tightly packed together, and there seem to be free electrons. We call these valence electrons in the outer energy level of copper atoms that are free to move from one atom to another, quickly carrying heat along the metal. And that's why copper is a better conductor than, say, aluminum or the alloy of brass or the alloy of steel. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.